Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. I am here at work, and what I'm going to do today at work is I'm going to be changing the oil because I need to. After the canyon run, I know I burned a lot of oil. I do have spark plugs and everything, so I'm just going to give the car a quick tune-up because this is a 97 Honda Civic. And speaking of 97s, check out this 97 Nissan truck. This truck is my co-worker's truck. His name is Richard. It's a pretty nice truck. He did a pretty insane build on it. The bed lifts up and it is on bags. As you guys can tell, it is really low. Pretty cool. Who's this guy over here? What's up, Andy?
What's up, sir? How are you doing?
Oh, my bad. What are you doing now?
Cleaning it because some idiot decided to freaking mow the grass right next to it.
This stuff.
Yeah, it works pretty well. At least when you don't have much water, you know?
Yeah, the baller mobile. The tents look really good.
It really does. It actually makes the whole Panda look, you know, come out.
Yeah, it does. While Andy cleans that, I'm gonna hop right to it and try to get the car ready. I am waiting for another coworker slash friend, really close friend of mine, Spencer. He's bringing a jack for me because I have the triangle jack and I don't want to use that, so I need to jack it up a little bit quicker or a little bit higher so that way I can drain the oil and get this done a lot faster. If you guys want a quick radio update, it's gone. I'm joking, it's right here. The reason why I took it out is because I feel that the heat, when I turn on the heater, because it's been cold the past couple nights, the electrical tape on here is melting and it's unraveling and the wires are touching, so the radio here keeps going on and off and it's really annoying and I don't want to short circuit anything inside here. I went to Home Depot and bought some of these connectors where you crimp the wires together. As I wait on Spencer, I'll be installing these so that way the radio can work how it should work and not cause any fires because the wires are touching and I don't want that to ever happen in this car. Okay, I'm all done with everything. You know what? I didn't even get to take this off from last time. Let me take it off now. Yeet. Okay, moment of truth. Turn the car on, let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's put it on the Bluetooth. Should be the next one. Mr. Spencer is here. Yay. Now I can get this done. Oh, Spencer came in clutch.
There you go, Lovel.
Well, yeah, so I am going to get this done really quick. I don't want to spend too much time on this. Got a lot of stuff to do today. See you guys in a bit. Guys, I stepped in the oil pan and I totally fucked up my shoes. Fuck. Guys, I was changing the valve cover gasket and these things right here that are the bolts that hold on the valve cap, these are I thought they were a bitch to change, but they're actually really easy to change, and I will show you how to do that right now. This one right here has already been changed out. That's why it looks so new right there, the rubber piece. So we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one that is probably old, and let's start with the smaller one. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is separate this rubber from this metal piece. It's kind of hard with one hand. Okay, got it. Separate it. So now these are separated and this will fall through. Once you cut off this rubber piece, this metal piece will fall straight through on its own. And what you're gonna do is grab the new one, which is right here,
I didn't see that.
and it just pushes straight through. You just push it through, and that's it. So yeah, you cut one half, and then
It did cut through.
the other half.
No, it cut through.
All the way through. Hey! Now just show how it falls straight through.
Oh.
There we go.
So it just falls right off.
And you push it through. Come on, Andy, use the muscles, man.
Come on. Come on, bitch. Go through.
Oh, you say you.
There we go.
There it is. And that is it.
There you go.
Richard, gonna make it dance. Pull it forward. I want you to hit that ledge over there. Damn sprinklers got my car wet. Now I gotta wipe it off and clean it. There's something about sprinkler water that would totally mess up your car. So I am done here for now. The car is running and sounding good. And you know what? I'm gonna head off to the gym. See you guys there. And welcome back. We're here at the gym. And if you guys saw on Instagram, I pulled my stuff out of the storage. And what I'm gonna do now is teach you my different. Say what up, Vaughn. Some bow staff. Get it, boy, get it.
I think I got it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh wait, right. See, come here, so the one.
Oh look, you see that?
Yeah. Shift your hips at the same time. Come down. So when you do it, try to push center. Even though your leg's out, you're pushing straight down, and your staff is directly below your head. Let's see if you get it. Come on, Vaughn. That boy got it. My good friend Faeryn's gonna do some hula hoops. That's insane. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh, it's close. Oh wait, she got it. Oh wait, when I start filming, you fall apart. No. Try to hide behind here and see if I could catch it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's in the danger zone. No. Let's see. Oh. And that is with 4 hula hoops because she put down 5. Why does she make it look so easy? Oh. This lazy ass right here. Always lounging, bro. Not ticklish? What the fuck?